Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to restore your emails from Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. Log into your Gmail account with ID and password. Now it's like you want to delete this one email. Click on delete and you can see you have to go to more option, then you'll find here trash. Click on trash. In trash you will find all of the emails what you have deleted here. How you can recover, you have to choose that mail and you'll find here move to. You have to click on move to and you can move anywhere you want. I'm moving to inbox. Click on inbox and if you check that inbox you can see that the email has been recovered again. So this is how you can recover an email. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.